So retributive theory is tooth for the tooth, uh, arm for the arm, leg for the leg, human life for the human life. That he who damages you, you are also empowered empowered to damage him proportionately. So whatever he has done to you, you are also entitled to do the same. If अदले का बदला, जिसको हम उर्दू में कहते हैं अदले का बदला, जो जिसने आपके साथ ज्यादती की है, टांग तोड़ी है, तो ये जस्टिफाइड है कि उसकी भी टांग तोड़ी जाए। अगर उसने आपका दांत तोड़ा है तो ये जस्टिफाइड है कि उसका भी दांत तोड़ा जाए। ठीक है, तो रेट्रीब्यूशन, इससे क्या होगा, इससे भी क्राइम की कमीशन में कमी आएगी। लोग अपने हाथ में कानून नहीं लेंगे, दे विल recourse to the law enforcement agencies, to the courts, and get their remedy and get their due right from due process of law. The fourth theory is the reformative theory. Reformative theory means criminals are helpless people. They need attention, they need some kind of treatment, and if we provide them the equal opportunities, first of all we will see the root cause of the crime which he has committed. First of all, we have to study the psyche of the criminal, why he has become criminal, what were the circumstances which compelled him to be what he is. We have to address those circumstances. you know uh, Sometimes misappropriation of rights, sometimes unequal distribution of wealth, sometimes neglect of the society, sometimes the attitude of his contemporaries, sometimes the deprivation of his rights, the poor economic conditions. you know every criminal has his own story. Every criminal was not criminal when he was born, right? There were some, these were the notions, these were the arguments of the advocates of the reformative theory. They proposed their idea that if we give them a conducive environment, if we guide them, if we teach them, if we reform them, if we give them what they want, if we remove their complexes, remove their you know frustration, deprivation, they will be as good as any other person. So we have to address their deprivation, we have to remove their deprivation, we have to give them what they want, we have to reform them, we have to civilize them, we have to tame them, we have to guide them, we have to give them some sessions and try to find out what they want, and then we hit that vulnerable area and made them a different human being altogether. So these are the, in this way, uh, he will not commit crime and the other person will also do the same. You see, these are the four different theories. Each and every theory aims to prevent or to eliminate the crime. They are proposing their different notions, different ideas, and the aim and objective of each and every theory is the same, which is to eradicate the crime from the society. Now we have to, I, I, I will leave it to you that, keeping in view the environs of Pakistan, keeping in view the socio-economic conditions of Pakistan, the cultural patterns of Pakistan, the political factors of Pakistan, the legal factors of Pakistan, the temperament of the people, the trends of the society, which theory is more relevant in the environs of Pakistan? I will leave it to you. And in the exam, you have to exam will not be the same that what are the kinds of the theories of punishment. No, it will be analytical. If it will give you some idea, it will be proposition oriented. It will be a rationale question, right? That tell us in the environment or in the socio political, socio-economic, socio-legal circumstances of Pakistan, which theory of punishment will be viable and will be effective as far as the prevention of crime is concerned. So, this is a food for thought for you and work on it. Thank you very much.